In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Trello board. Start by going to the Trello website and logging into your account. Once you're signed in, head to the area labeled Your Workspace. This is where Trello shows the boards connected to your workspace. So take a moment to find the exact board you want to download. When you've found it, click on that board to open it. After the board loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen for the three-dot icon. This opens more options for the board. Click that icon, and then in the menu that appears, choose Print, Export, and Share. A new menu will open with a few different actions. From there, click Export as JSON. This option downloads the board data in JSON format, which is a structured file type commonly used for backups, transfers, or working with board data outside of Trello. As soon as you click it, you should see a notification appear in the bottom left area of the screen, letting you know the export has started. Now just wait a moment for the file to download to your computer. Depending on your browser and download settings, the file may appear automatically in your Downloads folder, or you may see it in your browser's download bar or download icon. Once the download finishes, your Trello board has been successfully exported. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One quick thing to keep in mind is that exporting as JSON gives you the board's data in a raw format, so it's useful if you want to keep a backup or use the information elsewhere, but it won't look like the normal Trello board view when you open it directly. If you don't see the download right away, check your browser's download section and make sure pop-ups or downloads aren't being blocked. And that's it. You've now downloaded your Trello board and saved it to your computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.